This video is an introduction to square numbers and connecting them with algebra. Subscribe, comment and ding the notification bell to make sure you don't miss our latest videos. It's an investigation about the differences of squares. So first of all, if you haven't done yesterday's activity, which was the differences of square and area, the link is in the description to yesterday's math starter. Do that first. The question is, which numbers can and which numbers cannot be written as the difference of two squares? Going back to yesterday, the challenge was write down which numbers from 1 to 10 can be written as the difference between two squares. If you look at the top, different ways that 120 can be written as the difference between two squares. You don't have to start at 120. If you follow the guidelines in the resource on the Aiming High website, it takes you through it nice and systematically. Before you get there, what you can do immediately is think about it, start with 1 to 10 and answer that question with respect to the numbers 1 to 10 and then expand it. But you're also looking at this picture here. You're looking at a smaller square within a bigger square. And what is the difference? Well, you're looking at it with respect to the area, with respect to geometry. And because you're using letters, the letters used there are R, B, Q and P, and A and B, you're also introducing algebra. So by doing the activity, you're introducing in a very active way without making it a lesson about algebra or a lesson about area. You're playing with numbers, investigating numbers, and as usual, there are a lot of wonderful key questions in the resource pack. So on the Aiming High website, every activity you have on the Aiming High website has key questions with it, has worksheets, and also a lot of them have home learning guides and inclusion guides. Once you've mused over this daily starter, go to the Aiming High website. And there's so many more activities. You can search by subject, you can search by, there's ways of differentiating by year, and there's also, remember, there's an app, there's the AIMSEC app as well, so that you can do all of these things on your phone, and which also facilitates those people that have little data. This activity is called Differences of Squares Investigation. There are many more engaging and exciting activities with documents and resources, all free to download for schools and home learning from the Aiming High website and app. Follow the links in the description. Please also support AIMSEC through the GoFundMe link given. Subscribe, comment and ding the notification bell to make sure you don't miss our latest videos.